In this video, I will show you how to turn off theft protection on Android phone. First, launch Open Settings on your device. Now tap on the search bar. Here, type theft or theft protection, then go ahead and select that option. Now here, tap on theft protection. Here you want to look for the option of theft detection lock. Go ahead and tap on it. If you have turned this option on, then go ahead and tap on the turn off option. If prompted, confirm your identity using your PIN, password, or fingerprint to disable the feature. If you want to disable other theft protection features such as offline device lock, failed authentication lock, or remote lock, then you can simply tap on each one of them individually and turn those off from this same menu as well. If you cannot find the theft protection settings, make sure your phone is running a supported version of Android. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.